Now that we've evaluated our parentheses, our next step is to focus on the exponents. An exponent tells us how many times to multiply a value by itself. So 4 to the third power would be an exponent. 4 is our base, and that's the number being multiplied. 3 is our exponent, telling us how many times to multiply our base. So 4 to the third power means I would multiply 4 times 4 times 4. So I would multiply 3 fours. Well, if I want to evaluate that, 4 times 4 would give me 16, and then I would evaluate 16 times 4. 16 times 4 gives us 64, so the value of 4 to the third power would be 64. Now, the common mistake a lot of people make is to take the base of 4 and multiply it by the exponent of 3. So that would just be 4 times 3, which would equal 12. Well, 64 and 12 are very different values. This isn't what that exponent tells us. Our exponent tells us how many times to multiply the base by itself. So 64 would be the correct value, not 12. So now let's come to our big long problem that we've been working through. We do have an exponent in there, 5 to the second power. So 5 is our base, 2 is our exponent. So that means we need to multiply 2 5s together. 5 times 5. So 5 to the second power has a value of 25. And from there, we can bring down the rest of our problem. So as we head into the next video, we'll look at multiplication and division. If you want to see this entire problem worked out, skip to the last video in this playlist called Work It Out to see it all together.